Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can redeem your Domino's gift card, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And yeah, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. Alright, now let's move on. First step, what you want to do is you want to search for Domino's gift card redeem. Once you search for Domino's gift card redeem, click on gift cards activate AC Domino's. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the gift card redeeming page of Domino's. Over here, choose where it says gift card. Once you click on gift card, it's going to take you to the gift card section. Now once you're in gift card section, just scroll a bit down and enter your gift card's number over here. Once you enter your gift card's number, enter your gift card's pin. After you enter that, where it says mobile number, enter your mobile number. Once you do that, click on I'm not a robot and click on get OTP. Once you click on it, a SMS code is going to be sent to your mobile number. Whichever mobile number which you just typed is going to be sent over there. And on the next step, it's going to ask for the OTP. So check your SMS on your phone and enter the OTP on the next step, and your Domino's gift card will be redeemed. So that's how you guys can redeem a Domino's gift card. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. Bye bye.